Good day, respect judge and fellow innovators. My name is Tan Siming, and I'm here to introduce Catalyst, a platform built to innovate, solve, and impact. Catalyst is designed to empower young entrepreneurs by providing AI-driven guidance and smart resource allocation. Our mission is simple yet transformative: to unlock entrepreneurial potential and shape the next generation of digital leaders. Malaysia has only produced 3 unicorns. This reflects a deeper issue. Startups often fail due to lack of support, mentorship, and funding. At the same time, youth unemployment for those aged 15 to 24 stand at 10.3%, affecting over about 300,000 individuals. This is a sign of untapped potential. Add to that the brain drain, our top talent leaving for better opportunity, and we see a clear gap that needs a national solution. Students face a different kind of struggle. They lack startup and hackathon experience. They don't have a space to showcase their work. Most are uncertain about their career path. Without proper guidance, their potential remains hidden. Catalyst is the answer. Our platform uses AI to predict a student's potential based on academic and behavioral data. This allows strategic resource allocation. Moreover, it learns from past success stories to recommend personalized workshop or skill enhancement. It's not just reactive, it's proactive, tailored, and scalable. Current platforms are fragmented. LinkedIn for recruitment, social media for hackathons, and other sites for career advice. But none offer an integrated AI-powered solution for startup preparation. Catalyst bridge that gap seamlessly. We stand out because we unify mentorship, funding pathways, and skill building in one ecosystem. Our AI ensures recommendations are dynamic, not static. We don't just track progress, we empower it. Our goal is to build a long-term technopreneurship pipeline, one that integrates students, faculty, and industry. Through Catalyst, we cultivate real innovation and entrepreneurial mindset, impacting not just careers, but national productivity. Our key features include smart recommendation, participation tracking, partnership matchmaking, and AI-based talent discovery, all streamlined to create a personalized, growth-oriented student journey. UTM gain revenue opportunities through IP and licensing, enhanced academic standing, stronger alumni relations, and deeper industry collaboration. Catalyst enrich the entire university ecosystem. We support the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly quality education, decent work, and economic growth, through inclusive, tech-driven capacity building. Catalyst align with MPBM 2030, AI Roadmap, and Hala Tuju 2025, supporting Malaysia's push for AI-centric digital entrepreneurship and curriculum reform. Our model includes data as a service, selling anonymized insight to government and institutions, alongside event fees, certification, and equity in supported startups. It's sustainable and scalable. We wish to work with UTM, UTM Excite, industry leaders, government agency, and alumni network. This partner ensures technical depth, financial support, and national relevance. I lead as CEO, supported by Sabrina as co-founder, Sultan Azmi and mentor, and a capable team spanning marketing, design, and innovation management. Catalyst is more than a product, it's a national movement for entrepreneurial transformation. Thank you for your attention. Let's ignite the future together.